The combination of social gaming with real-time communication has grown popular. Are you looking to keep up with the latest trend that will boost your app's user engagement? Look no further and let's start now. Replace dull chat rooms with fun interactive games, like Ludo, to promote new users and participation. Strangers may rapidly break the ice in conversations and enjoy your app by playing easy social games such as Hello Friend. Using luck-based mini-games to attract users might help your app gain income during live streaming. Our gaming solutions offer various games for you, which you can directly add to your social applications. With a wide variety of games, our mini-game SDK also comes with impressive features that make it stand out. How to create a social app with mini-games. Our integration solution combines interactive features and mini-games together, with both services being independent and easily scalable. We integrate these two services into low-code UI kit on the client side, so you can simply embed it into your app, and quickly create a social scene where users can enjoy playing games. With our solution, you can easily get it all. Elevate your user's experience with our innovative gaming solution. Want to know more about social minigame solution? Visit zigocloud.com.